Magandang araw mga barkada and welcome sa ating Chicken Channel. Here with me today, ang daughter po ng aking Manong Manny Verbano, si M. Verbano, and of course, ang kasama po niya si Ma'am Raquel Romero, who has been with Pit Games and the World Game Ball Expo ever since it started. Correct? Di ba? Para mas makilala po ng mga barkada natin, sino si Manny Verbano. Okay? Manong Manny, way back in the 90s, was General Manager of Coca-Cola and he was based in Iloilo.
Yes.
Di ba? And fortunately, he's also Ilocano. Okay? So kita mo na yung kulay namin ni M.
Yeah.
Di ba? Talagang Ilocano di color me. Manong Manny is also kababayan na Ilocano and we became very good friends, family friends. Inaanak pa ka ni Daddy is his sister, right?
Yes,
Ayan.
yung bunso.
Yung bunso nila. So that's how long we go way back with Manny Verbano. And with Manong Manny, parang concept pa lang noon ng World Game Ball Expo, hanggang nabuo nila. Actually, Sakupaan came to the picture second year. Second year kami nung nakasali na kami dito. And from then on, we've been supporting the Game Ball Expo. And andito pa rin po tayo ng 2026 na.
Our company is World Expos and Concepts. We organize trade shows and conferences talaga. So napansin namin, yung game ball industry, centuries old, pero wala silang sariling expo. May mga derby and all that, pero wala. So I said, I wonder why. So we put plan together, and then sabi ko, kailangan natin maghanap ng partner na insider. Kasi kami, marunong lang kami organize, pero wala kaming kilala. Diba? So I said we need to find somebody who has a good reputation, and is well respected. Nakita namin yung Pit Games magazine. So I said, let's make an appointment with the publisher. So actually, hindi niya kami kilala or anything. Pinuntahan ko lang siya sa
And you talk about Manong Manny?
Yes, yeah. So I said, I made an appointment with MB. Hindi niya alam kung bakit ko siya gusto makipag-appointment. Basta he accepted it. So pumunta ko sa office niya sa Cubao. Then I said, hi, I'm Raquel. Pero I explained what we do and I showed him a plan, a floor plan, everything. Naka-layout na. Sabi ko, ito yung gusto namin gawin ng event. Sana ito yung name, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, you know what, matagal ko nang gustong gawin yan. Kaya lang, hindi rin naman kami nag-organize. So parang nag-swak siya kasi he's from the industry, he wanted to do this event. Kami naman, we know how to do the event. So that's how we ended up katrabaho. Tapos ang funny thing lang, just to share, kasi yung daddy namin is journalist sa Daily Express a long time ago. And I remember nung bata ako, meron siyang office mate na Teddy Verbano. Verbano is not really a very common name. So I asked him, I said, are you related to somebody named Teddy Verbano? And he said, oh, that's my uncle. Sabi niya, in fact, he was the one who taught me kung paano mag-run ng publication. Kasi galing akong Coke, hindi naman ako publisher. So siya yung teach sa akin kasi nga galing siya, journalist din siya. Sabi ko, office mate ko siya ng daddy ko. Ganyan. So parang for me, that was a sign. Siya din, it was a sign. Kasi, you know, like, how strange is that, di ba? Parang sobrang small world. Parang, ako kasi, when we deal with people, yung how you feel, yung ang gaan, di ba?
Yes,
so sabi ko, I think this is the right
Magkaroon ng kumagahan ng connection na masarap eh.
And especially when we started marketing it, you could really tell when he says, when he gave us the seal of approval, parang yung mga tao, they will ask him, this is legit, ganyan, yes, ganun. So that was really our gateway, and that's why the Game Ball Expo became very successful. So, and I realized, after I met sila M, sabi ko, kamukha ko pala yung mga anak niya. Kaya siguro, nag-agree siya. Kasi may pictures ako ng bata. Sabi ko, I showed it to M, tinan mo. Sabi niya, oo nga, tita. Huwag ka makakasali. Siguro sa akin, may anak ba ako na hindi ko alam?
Raquel, ito I don't know if you know this. Si Manong Manny retired. He believed that 2001, if I'm mistaken, he was one of the first managers sa Sakupaan. He worked with us. Siya ang nag-pass sa amin ng marketing strategies ng Coca-Cola. One thing na sinabi niya na galing natutunan sa Coca-Cola Company way back then is you have to put your product within reach. Kahit sa liblib yan, kahit na, available anywhere, anytime. So you never forget about advertising, di ba? Kaya kung papapansinin niyo yung soft drinks na yan, maski na sa liblib ng baryo, merong signage. Di ba? It was the Coca-Cola mentality. Tutunan ni Papa mo, ni Manong Manny, na dito, and naipasa niya yan. He was with us for 1 year, then ayun na, siya ng Pit Games, all these things, other things, and yun, dumating na rin. Very happy na tinuloy niyo to. Yun, napahinga lang kami ng pandemic.
Yes.
Diba? And ito na, mapunta naman tayo kay M. M, how did you now get into this? Dito, I can remember you were still young, a young lady noon, bata pa talaga si Ma'am Em noon. And now here she is, now the one working with Ma'am Raquel. Napakagandang game of the expo together every year.
Background lang kay si Daddy kasi when we grew up, we basically, parang nabuhay po kami na may tumitila ako ng manok sa likod ng bakuran. So nasanay na talaga kami nun sa life ng with game pounds and all. I remember, sabi ko, si Dad kasi kuya doon, hindi siya may functions. Ugali niya talaga yun. Parang he loves to work with a lot of people, he loves to travel, puro manok talaga. So ganun yung ugali po ni Boss M. So every time that we want to travel or vacation sa family, even nung nasa Coca-Cola pa siya ko yun, ang ginagawa namin is, sumasama lang kami kung may mga sales conference sila, let's say sa Boracay, doon din kami family. So ganun yung naging life namin. No? Hindi ko po talaga actually mag-gets, no? Parang bakit siya lagi wala, ganyan. And then, nung nag-graduate na po ako ng college, aming apat po kasi ako lang po yung nag-business in course. Growing up kasi ito, very close kami ng daddy kasi boyish din ako nung bata eh. So nung nag-graduate ako lang po yung parang related sa business, yung parang pinaka-expertise ko po, parang ganyan. He decided to get me agad sa Philippines Media as the marketing executive. So doon lang po nag-start. Doon ko na-realize na, okay, kaya pala laging wala si daddy before. Kasi ito talaga yung mahal niya. Sa person, as a father, hindi lang po siya father for the four of us. Pero sa maraming tao, ganun siya. So, sabi nga niya yung legacy niya, I think, to help a lot of people na parang dun siya maaalala. Yun ba yung reason, no? Fast forward to now, and na kahit wala na po si Daddy, I stay committed na para i-honor po siya. At least man lang, ma-continue natin yung pag-organize ng World Baseball. Wala man ako personally, kuya, alam sa conditioning, sa pag-aalaga ng manok, ganyan. Ang mga natutunan ko sa kanya kung nag-organize ko ng event or how I bring myself towards people, yun po yung dinadala ko until now.
It's good.
Para makontinue
Very
ko
good.
yung...
Tawa ko kanina mo yung travel. During the night, even before Saguban started, mga kaibigan, nag-Amerika kami ni Papa mo.
Yes.
Ako, Kuya Jesse, the whole gang. Umikot-ikot kami, Louisiana. Ako driver nila eh. Ako yung meron US license that time. So I was driving around and everything. And I cannot remember si Manong Manny no, lagi nagtatawanan because your dad snored really loud.
Yes.
So,
signature na yun.
ganyan, Nong! Inilokano ka pa, Nong, ring ka. Abay, bakit? Umihilig na naman ako. Oo, galit na galit yung hilik mo. I remember the funny times, mga travel na namin. No? It was fun, always being with Manny Verbano. My gosh, I miss you, Manong Manny. So many fun stories with him, with my father and everything.